Hi there, can decide between a decadent fudgy brownie or a light fluffy cheesecake? How about combining the best of both worlds with a brownie cheesecake? It is rich and fudgy at the bottom, fluffy on top, and incredibly easy to make. If you are intrigued by this fantastic dessert, stick around until the end and I will share with you the ultimate mini brownie cheesecake recipe you will ever experience. So, let's dive in. For the brownie base, gather 60 grams of dark chocolate drops with 54% cocoa. Place 60 grams of butter over the chocolate and melt it in the microwave in 30 seconds intervals until fully melted. In a large bowl, crack open 2 eggs and mix them until they turn foamy. Add 80 grams of powdered sugar and continue mixing until the eggs double in volume. Incorporate a tablespoon of vanilla essence, followed by 40 grams of flour, and mix well. Pour the melted chocolate over the eggs and mix again with a mixer until you get a delightful chocolatey consistency. Meanwhile, preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius with ventilation around 360 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's move on to the cheesecake part. Crack an egg over 250 grams of ricotta. For a perfect flavor, add a tablespoon of vanilla essence and whisk until the egg is fully incorporated. Add 50 grams of powdered sugar and whisk again until the sugar is dissolved completely and the ricotta mixture reach a perfect creamy consistency. To achieve a light and fluffy cheese composition, add 10 grams of cornstarch. It is time to assemble our fantastic mini brownie cheesecake. For an easy removal, use cupcake liners. And with an ice cream scoop, divide the composition into 12 portions. For me, half a spoon is the perfect way to go. Pour the cheesecake filling in the same way. And then use a skewer to create an amazing marble effect that combines both compositions. Pop the tray in the preheated oven and let it bake for 18 minutes. Once the time is up and the toothpick test is passed, you can enjoy your amazing mini brownie cheesecake. After that, place them on a rack to cool down. The aroma in my kitchen is heavenly, you cannot imagine. Unpack one and let's see our perfect mini brownie cheesecake. Fudgy at the bottom and fluffy on the top. I do recommend to drizzle some caramel sauce for an extra touch. Let me know in the comments if you like my foolproof caramel sauce recipe. For an extra kick, use fresh fruit for decoration. Let's enjoy our brownie cheesecake. I couldn't resist until they were completely cool because they smelled incredible. My son is equally eager to taste them, so he joined the testing. Trust me, the taste is incredible. You've got to give it a try. Thank you for joining me on this sweet journey. If you are hungry for more delightful recipes, don't forget to subscribe to Sabrissimo, ring the notification bell, and let's keep creating delicious memory together. Till next time, happy baking!